Good, bright and beautiful Tuesday to everyone. Welcome to GardenStateWeather.com and GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, providing superior forecasting for the northern mid-Atlantic region 24 hours a day. I'm forecaster Robert Smith, back from vacation, and this is the daily video forecast discussion for Tuesday, the 9th of August, 2016. And it looks like this week ahead, especially from Wednesday on through the weekend, is going to feature high humidity and thunderstorms about the region. Morning pass of the visible satellite imagery this morning as it makes its way over the New Jersey, New York City metropolitan area. Shows clear skies, lots of dry, sinking air in the mid and upper levels of the atmosphere as the ridge is right on top of the New Jersey coastline this morning, with absolutely no precipitation underneath it, while the shower and thunderstorm activity is well removed to our south and will remain so through today and most of tomorrow as well. Waking up this morning under comfortable skies, we have temperatures generally running in the upper 50s to low and mid 60s across the region, and the dew points are starting to come up as well. We have no watches, warnings, or advisories on the coast or on the land, but you do want to go to the beach this week. If you're there, you're going to have to watch out for afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms about the area. Just have to monitor the skies. It's going to be one of those hot and humid, sticky weeks from Wednesday through the weekend, and there will be some frequent showers and thunderstorms around the region from time to time. We'll get into that in a moment. New Jersey beach and surf zone forecast for Tuesday, and this would be for the New York beaches, the New Jersey and Delaware beaches for today as well. There's a low to moderate risk of rip currents again throughout the region. Sky weather will be sunny. High temperatures will be in the lower 80s. Beach winds out of the northwest at about 5, becoming south in the afternoon. Surf at around 2 feet, much as the way that it is this morning out there. Basically, the surf temperatures are quite warm. They're about 76 degrees. UVI index very high at 9. Sunscreen or musk. And low to moderate rip current risk throughout today. High tide cycles begin after 1 p.m. this afternoon. Actually, they begin before that, and they run through the 1 o'clock hour during this afternoon. It's a continual summer of high heat and humidity, and of course the grasses, channel pods, nettle, and of course mold is on the high side. That's why a lot of people have breathing difficulties during most of this summer. And the top allergens today will continue to be on the high side today and a little bit lower during tomorrow. Pollen counts mainly from mold will continue to be on the high side Thursday, increasing through Friday and Saturday as well. And we have nothing going on in the coastal regions here of the Caribbean and the Atlantic here. No tropical cyclone formation over the next 48 hours, and really nothing is expected during the next 5 days, as really nothing is showing up either. We do have some rain all around a cold frontal boundary here across the south, which is producing quite a lot of heavy rain around the Gulf, but this tropical moisture is not in association with anything other than remnant low pressure areas moving along the front. As we head into the weekend, a lot of this tropical moisture to the south will be fed into our forecast region with some gully gushing thunderstorms from time to time. And as is typical for this time of the year, we still have areas in northern New Jersey that is still in a moderate to slight drought conditions across the region. We're still some 4 to 5 inches below normal across the northern counties here. And of course, the latest information from the U.S. Drought Monitor for the state of New Jersey shows us in a moderate drought across the region continuing. On the aviational weather deck, lots of interior fog this morning, which will begin to build and move out of the area as skies become mostly clear after the early morning fog burns off. It's possible that enough cooling will occur for some light fog before dawn. It's already showing up here. And there is already a shallow ground fog across the New York offices, actually the Mount Holly office this morning of the National Weather Service. Other than that, mostly good flying weather expected with VFR conditions and an increase in clouds through the day. Winds will be light and variable this morning and then south to southeast at about 10 knots or less during tonight. VFR expected will continue, increasing clouds, lowering ceilings, mostly dry, but an isolated shower possible west towards dawn on Wednesday. Predominantly VFR conditions expected from Wednesday through Saturday. Cannot rule out MVFR in a shower or thunderstorm, especially along and northwest of the I-95 corridor each afternoon and evening through the period. In addition, patchy fog is possible at Allentown, Reading, and Millville during the overnight hours. Right now it's soupy and getting up there, 69 degrees, 73 already actually at Newark. Dew point 64, humidity 73%. Few clouds at 7,000, 25,000. And the story today, VFR conditions. Philadelphia, 72, dew point 70, humidity 94%. Few clouds at 4,500, 25,000, 30,000 broken. VFR conditions in place. Get ready for another mini little heat wave here Probably won't last as long as the previous one did, but definitely we're going to feel it with some high temperatures and high humidities, making the heat indices between 95 and slightly over 100 from time to time in the urban areas as we head through Thursday, Friday, and into Saturday as well. These are the actual MOS temperatures for Tuesday in the mid and upper 80s again, close to 90 on Wednesday in the afternoon across the urban centers. Temperatures in the low to mid 90s again on Thursday. Temperatures following that suit on Friday and Saturday. And Sunday we'll get some relief a little bit as more clouds, showers, and thunderstorms move into the picture. And it's going to be quite humid still throughout the period, with temperatures generally running in the mid and upper 80s on Sunday and also on Monday as well. Surface analysis this morning shows high pressure ridging across New England down through the northern mid-Atlantic, southern mid-Atlantic states. Warm front, cold front, stationary front, if you will, to our south. That will be a focal point for some showers and thunderstorms to move from our south. And then in the afternoon hours on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, as a dome of southeasterly winds, southwesterly winds, and upper mid and upper level ridge axis across the forecast region means a threat for afternoon scattered showers and thunderstorms, and in a tropical air mass with precipitable water values at better than 2 inches. Some of these thunderstorms could contain very heavy rain, and obviously that would lead to some urbanized flash flooding, or at least some street flooding as well in any of the thunderstorms. Now, the model guidance is suggesting that the frontal boundary will stay to the north of the region through the weekend. Its location will be key for a prefrontal trough or a thermal trough to lie right along the New Jersey interior coast down to Philadelphia. This will be a focal mechanism with any short wave that runs over or through it during the afternoon hours of Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and that will lead to scattered showers across the forecast region. Some of those showers and thunderstorms will be locally heavy at times, leading to some downburst winds and obviously some flood potential as well. We're really not going to find any relief until the cold front gets here early during the period, which will probably hold off until at least Tuesday before the front begins to actually move through the forecast region. So it's going to be hot, sticky, humid air mass in place, summertime weather with showers and thunderstorms diurnally driven during the afternoon and evening hours. Start off with the composite reflectivity forecast from the NAM 12 kilometer here. As we build our way into Wednesday, particularly Wednesday morning, Wednesday afternoon, this is when a few showers and thunderstorms could move through the region again as the disturbance rides over the top of the ridge here in place across the eastern seaboard. And those showers and thunderstorms, where and when they do occur, will be locally heavy in spots, so we do have to be mindful of that. And as we head into Thursday and Friday again, there will be outlier scattered showers and thunderstorms. Not everyone's going to see them, but the ones that do happen, especially on Thursday in the proximity of the front or any shortwave running through it, will be locally heavy to severe at times. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center has placed the general consensus of our area in a slight risk of thunderstorms throughout the weekend. So nothing is really hedged in stone for anything severe, but of course we'll be monitoring that. It looks like the frontal boundaries will stay to our north into the weekend, but there'll still be a residual tropical moisture feeding up from down south where it's been raining quite hard in the Gulf and along the Gulf Coast. And any of this lifting mechanism along the prefrontal trough will mean showers and thunderstorms are still capable of heavy downpours as we head on and off into the weekend. Use the Canadian model guidance right now, which seems to be in line with the European a little bit better than the GFS this morning. Shows that slinking front here through the region on Sunday morning. Again, areas of low pressure along the front leading to some showers and thunderstorms. So weekend's not a washout, but it's not really going to be similar to the one we just went through. Or the one previous to that either. There'll be some showers and thunderstorms around, particularly late on Sunday into Monday as the front really begins to kind of stall out across the region. We could have additional rain showers and thunderstorms to our south and over the forecast region even on Tuesday as areas of low pressure ride along the front as it slowly works its way to the south of the forecast region. And then a drying period should begin to come in on later Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday before the next frontal system and cold front approaches from the northwest. Of course, it's the prime week to be on vacation as many people are getting ready and geared up to go back to college and school soon. So just to be mindful that it's going to be a hot, humid week ahead and showers and thunderstorms will be here from time to time, especially as we head into Thursday, Friday, and Saturday afternoons. Sunday and even into Monday, there'll be showers and thunderstorms around. And we'll be monitoring everything live like we always do at GardenStateWeather.com, GardenStateWeather.blogspot.com, Twitter, Facebook, and Google+. I'm forecaster Robert Smith. Have a safe Tuesday. We'll see you bright and early on Wednesday morning.